How AI Fire built a 317K plus community and became the go-to hub for AI enthusiasts. Explore AI Fire and see how it can make a difference in your understanding of AI. AI Fire didn't just appear, it responded to a real need. Today, the platform stands as a central resource, gathering an audience of more than 317,000 people eager to understand and apply AI in their daily lives. It's where theory steps aside, making room for clear explanations and hands-on insights. We've all felt it, the non-stop flow of AI news, updates, and breakthroughs makes it tough to know what matters. Too often, you scroll through feed after feed, only to find snippets that tell you very little. Where do you go for straightforward, actionable information? That's where AI Fire steps in. It serves a community hungry for clarity. People from all walks of life, executives, researchers, students, and small business owners, turn to AI Fire to cut through the noise and discover what truly counts in the world of artificial intelligence. Why this matters, right now. 317K plus followers aren't just numbers, they're individuals seeking guidance. AI Fire appeals to everyone looking to get practical value from AI. Whether it's summaries of recent breakthroughs, hands-on tutorials, or proven workflows, there's no empty fanfare, only usable content. You don't have to be a tech wizard to make sense of AI, said Robin Du, a key contributor to AI Fire's content. We know people are strapped for time and tired of wading through hype. Our job is to give them relevant information, fast. By keeping its finger on the pulse, AI Fire ensures that its readers get what they need: clarity, direction, and results. Straightforward support. AI Fire's approach is refreshingly direct. Instead of complicated jargon and dense lectures, it offers quick, easy-to-digest updates. If you need to understand LLMs, prompt engineering, or the latest automation tools, the platform serves it up in plain language. The community aspect is huge. Through Facebook groups, LinkedIn connections, and other social channels, readers can discuss emerging topics, share what works, and learn from each other. It's not a one-way street, it's a conversation. Informed and efficient. Efficient content curation saves time. AI Fire filters out noise, focusing only on what's beneficial and trustworthy. Readers don't waste hours sifting through random posts, they find what they're looking for almost immediately. Audience-centered content creation is a priority. The team pays attention to what subscribers want. This ensures every piece of content has a purpose and aligns with the audience's interests, rather than throwing random info at the wall to see what sticks. Tailored to your pace. AI Fire respects how different people learn. Maybe you're a complete beginner, or perhaps you've already got some experience. Either way, you'll find resources that fit your current level. Skip what you know, focus on what you don't, it's that simple. What you'll find at AI Fire. Daily insights and tutorials, keep up without being overwhelmed. Real-world case studies, see how AI is applied in practical scenarios. AI Fire Academy, dive deeper into structured learning, no fluff. Active community, ask questions, get answers, and build your network. Expert perspectives, hear from professionals at leading tech companies. The advantages. No information overload, find meaningful content fast. Speedy learning, understand core concepts without wading through nonsense. No extra costs, gain valuable knowledge without pricey courses or seminars. Quality over quantity, every post is vetted to ensure usefulness. Room to grow, advance from basics to more complex topics at your own rate. Be part of the AI Fire story. Thousands have already discovered AI Fire as their reliable AI guide. They're dropping confusion and making informed decisions, all thanks to content that's both timely and grounded in reality. Don't sit on the sidelines. Explore AI Fire and see how it can make a difference in your understanding of AI. Sign up for free, join the conversations, and tap into a rich knowledge base that doesn't waste your time.